interested, and hopefully you guys have some interest in what's coming next. Maybe you'll be excited, maybe you won't. But yeah, that's a quick overview. Oh, sorry, not an overview, but that's a quick vlog update as well. And hope you're enjoying the content so far. I've been trying to post a little bit more regularly now because, you know, it's kind of fun, and it's also fun to have when some new videos and freshen up the channel when you've got a couple new toys to play around with, you know. I'm sure you guys all know about that if you're on YouTube as well. So yeah, and then also maybe we'll see if there is some other reviews too, and we'll go from there. Oh, that's a nice red edition SLC. Yeah, and then what else? What else will we do? Well, that'll be it for now. And then, sorry, I'm kind of mumbling and wondering what to say here. I haven't done these too often, so keep in mind I'm still a beginner on this YouTube thing, at least being in front of the camera. But yeah, I've always liked to film cars and film different events and stuff like that, and hopefully we'll get a better event coming, so we'll get some cool footage of some nice cars. And then obviously probably the best one is Monterey Carweek. And then also you'll have a quick preview of some event, Quail it's called, which will be coming up on the channel as well, and that was a motorcycle event. So we'll have kind of a overview on like how we started getting prepared for that as well, because a friend of mine, he put in his motorcycle into the event, and so that whole process of packing it up on the truck, then shipping it down from the Bay Area to Carmel Valley, and then the whole show as well, and kind of an overview on motorcycles, which honestly I don't have too much experience on, so it was kind of interesting, and it was a different atmosphere as well. That, you know, car event people are a little different, you know. I'm not saying anything bad, I'm just saying it's a totally different kind of like interest that it attracts as well. So it was an interesting experience for sure, and I'll definitely